have ourselves the M720 Triathlon. Let's take a look and see what's inside. And here we have the mouse here. Let's go ahead and take it out of the bag. So taking the mouse out of the bag here, this is what it looks like. I love the color scheme here. Nice. Looks like it's dark gray, or yeah, looks like it's dark gray with the white. Very nice. Let's go ahead and first open this. We have the USB-A adapter right here. Comes with the battery, on and off switch, and I believe that you can also connect this via Bluetooth as well. So I'll definitely check out the instructions here for connecting this via Bluetooth. But that is the M720 Triathlon mouse. Very, very wide mouse here. Fits my fingers great. My fingers are huge. Scroll wheel, and then you have this button here right in the middle. So I'll have to definitely check and see what that one does. Looks like you can definitely switch here. Maybe you can connect this up to multiple devices. Got a lot of buttons here on the side. I'm guessing these can be programmed. But yeah, this is the M720 Triathlon mouse. More videos coming soon.